Yo, so hello guys. Today we'll be playing Fountains and People. So yeah, this game. So let's start. Yo, this is my home. I got breakfast. This is my campfire in case I will be cold. This is my bed working. You see? And this is my radio. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's go. Let's take the bed. Wait. I can't forget my. Please don't fall. Okay. Do not care about the mayonnaise. Okay. Also, in this game you fling people, and and that's the whole point. You can buy stuff, and you can fly. Like on this pallet, you can fly. So I will show you some methods how to throw far. I can't really throw far, but I will show you. Wait. Please, burger and fries. Please, 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 please. Oh, still good, still good. This is the best of. This is almost the best. Yep, still good. Bro. Oh, I can finally buy something. I think. Yeah, I can buy all of this, but I will buy. Should I buy this? Okay, I'm gonna buy my coal. Okay, so I will show you how to throw far. Go here. Get the people. Grab it like legs are like here. He needs to sit. Mouse roll your button to extend your line. Max, put him into the ground and wax to him. Now stand on him and like put your mouth like this when you stand on him and jump and then do this. Wait, don't ragdoll him. Wait. You like that and then throw. It's not really working for me, but it will work for you. Maybe. Look. Come to. Wait. Come to the water. Wait. Put him in the ground. Wait, I did it wrong. Grab him here. Extend your line. Jump. And throw him in the water. I don't know if he's gonna land in the. Bro. Bro. Okay, I'm gonna do my better method. Grab him on the head or legs. I would recommend the legs. Ragdoll him. Just hit him in the ground or something. So he does this, like ragdoll. Put your line, extend your line. Put him in the ground like this. Walk backwards, and then you can do this, and then release. Left click. This, and when you are here, you would left click. So release him. Don't right click, it's only throws. So like this. Yeah. And you can do it backwards too. So like put him, wait, toggle him, extend your line, go backwards, and just release him backwards. Yeah, it's a little, it's actually the same. So now let's try on the real people. You can gamble on this, not really gamble, but you have to wait 14 minutes to pull this lever, and then you need to get the best. The hamburger and cheese is the best, hot dog second, egg third, and coconut. No, bro, broccoli is the last. Coconut is the fourth. Okay, she's rolling. Okay. Oh, I won hot dog. Wait. Yeah, 11 minutes. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Boo, boo. We need to save the bacon. Bacon, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oi! Okay, now you're cooked, bro. You didn't have to do that. Where are you? Oh, you're here. Bro, you didn't need to do that. Oh. Bro, stop spinning. Let's throw my airplane. Wait, where is my... Oh, there. Bro, what? How? Wait, come here. Come here. Come. Bro, how did... Oh, I get the... Bro, why did I release? Oh, nice. Oh, scared little baby. Okay, so guys, have a nice day and goodbye.